Well, the centre today telling the Supreme Court they will not file an affidavit on the Pegasus phone hacking scandal, saying it's a national security issue. This comes despite the centre having asked for time in 2 hearings to file a detailed affidavit. The Chief Justice told the Solicitor General, Mr. Mehta, don't beat about the bush. We don't want to hamper national security either, but this is an issue of right to privacy.
Today, the centre told Supreme Court that it cannot file an affidavit on the Pegasus phone tapping scandal as it is a matter of national security. This is a U-turn from the government's earlier stance where it kept seeking time to file an affidavit.
The centre, which avoided a debate in Parliament on the Pegasus controversy by calling it a non-serious issue, was told by the Chief Justice, "We don't want to hamper national security either. The issue of concern is whether the phones of individuals were hacked and their right to privacy." The centre said we can't make it a public discourse and can't let terrorists know which software was used. If individual phones were attacked, then that is also serious. The committee can look into it. The Chief Justice of India said, the government says they will form a committee. It is a different matter if we will accept it or not. Everybody wants an inquiry or some sort of investigation. The development comes despite the fact that the government sought time to file an affidavit twice earlier on the 17th of August and 9th of September. A batch of petitions, including those filed by the Editors Guild of India and other senior journalists who want a court-monitored probe, says, "We also don't want national security to be compromised. We want the government to answer whether it used Pegasus or not. The spyware is illegal."
The CJI today strongly told Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that beating about the bush is not going to solve the issue and pointed out that even if a court-appointed committee submits its report, it will eventually come out in the public domain. To that, the SG replied that the decision on revealing the details then would be entirely up to the Supreme Court. In New Delhi, with camera person Pooja Arya, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.